Hello everyone, I've got a really easy DIY project for all of you making these beautiful resin agate inspired coasters that you can all customize for your home or for somebody else. We have a few materials that you're going to need, including the mold here. You're obviously going to need the resin and also some micas that makes all of the colors. You're also going to be needing a heat gun. So let's get started. My sister's actually helping me out with this. You can see that because of her nails. But we're going to start off by mixing the resin first. There's the resin and then there's the hardener. So it totally depends on the ratio that you have to follow. This one was 1:1 and usually they're 1:1, so it's easier for all of us to just kind of mix together. And this one also called for 3 to 4 minutes of mixing time. Next up, we separated the resin in 3 different containers because we are going to be mixing some different colors. So here they are. The first mixture is just clear and these gold flakes. These were from the dollar store, so they were super awesome and they actually worked out really well with a nice little texture. The next color is pearl. It's kind of like this translucent, nice white. So it gave it a really nice sheen to it too. Then we tried making some kind of like a rose gold color, which is berry, and also the rose pigment. And so those are the 3 that we're working with. And obviously you can always customize whatever design and color that you want for your coasters. And the next part is just pouring it into the mold. So we started off with the rose gold color on the outside, and then we worked our way inside with the gold flakes and the sheen white. You kind of have to pour really fast so that you can get all the colors in there that you want. The real agate coasters can get pretty expensive, but the resin can also get expensive if you do make it yourself. But because we're customizing it, I think it's totally worth it, especially if you're also going to be making a lot. Now you want to take a heat gun or even a cooking torch to take out all the air bubbles that are in the resin. Unfortunately, a hairdryer is just too low of a temperature, so that won't work as well. You want to let this completely dry for at least 48 hours, and once it is, you want to take it out of the mold. And the last finishing touch to this is adding a little bit of gold on the outside. So I just got some acrylic paint from Michael's, and this wasn't the exact gold color that I wanted, but it kind of worked because I did put 3 coats on it. Let that dry and you're all finished. I'm so in love with the coasters and how they actually turned out. The color is so unique and I'm super happy with it. They make for great gifts, but I'm definitely keeping this one to myself. If you enjoyed this DIY, don't forget to comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more great DIYs, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.